Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a snapshot in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application. And for example, I'm going to take a snapshot of this video. First of all, guys, we can choose a part of our video we want to take a snapshot. And for example, I'm going to take this part. You can use this pointer. Okay, I'm going to place it here and we're going to select this camera icon. Okay, this is the icon for snapshot, or you can also use the shortcut. You can click Control, Alt, and the S key at the same time to take snapshot. Okay, I'm just going to click on this icon. Alright, and then we're going to select the format here. I'm just going to choose PNG, and you're going to choose the location you want to save the snapshot. And here you can choose either you want to set the snapshot as thumbnail or not. And I'm just going to set it as my thumbnail, and I'm going to click on OK. Alright, now it's done. The snapshot has been taken. And this is for the thumbnail. Okay guys, and that's all the way to take a snapshot in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!